As a dentist, patients ask me this almost every day: should I save a damaged tooth with a root canal, or remove it and replace it with a dental implant? It's a big decision because pain, cost, treatment time, and long-term success all matter. Before choosing, let's understand what makes them different. Many people think implants are always better because they're newer and more advanced. But in dentistry, newer technology isn't always the best choice. Let's start inside the tooth. Beneath the hard enamel is soft tissue that keeps the tooth alive and healthy, helping it function normally every day. When bacteria reach this soft tissue, an infection develops. That's when pain, swelling, sensitivity, and other dental problems often begin to appear. A root canal is designed to save the tooth. Instead of removing it completely, the dentist removes the infection hidden deep inside the tooth. Special instruments carefully clean the tiny spaces inside the roots, removing bacteria and damaged tissue while keeping the tooth in place. After cleaning, the empty space is sealed with a special material. This helps stop bacteria from returning and causing another infection later. One major advantage is that your natural roots remain inside the jawbone, helping maintain support, stability, and a natural feeling while chewing. To restore strength and appearance, a custom-made crown is usually placed on top, allowing the treated tooth to work comfortably again. With good brushing, flossing, and regular dental visits, many root canal treated teeth continue functioning successfully for many years. But not every tooth can be saved. Severe decay, deep cracks, or major damage may leave too little healthy tooth structure behind. When that happens, a dental implant becomes an excellent replacement option, helping restore both function and appearance after tooth loss. The damaged tooth is removed, and a titanium implant is carefully placed into the jawbone, exactly where the natural root once existed. Over the next few months, the jawbone naturally grows around the implant and holds it firmly in place, creating a strong foundation. Once healing is complete, a custom crown is attached to the implant, creating a replacement tooth that looks and works naturally. Now let's compare them directly. The first thing most patients want to know is simple: which treatment is more painful or uncomfortable? The good news is that modern anesthesia and dental techniques make both procedures much more comfortable than most people expect. When it comes to treatment time, root canal therapy is usually quicker, while implants often require extra healing before completion. Cost is another important difference. In many situations, a root canal and crown cost less than replacing a tooth with a dental implant. As a dentist, my approach is simple: if a tooth can be successfully saved, that's usually the first choice. If not, implants are excellent. Do you still have questions about root canals or dental implants? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Subscribe to Dental Decode AI for more easy-to-understand dental videos and practical oral health tips.